Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your PayPal purchase receipts for credit cards, full guide step by step clearly. To back up your PayPal purchase receipts for credit card transactions, start by logging into your PayPal account. Navigate to the Activity tab located at the top of the page. In the Activity section, you'll see a list of all your recent transactions. Locate the specific transaction for which you need a receipt. Click on the transaction to open its details. In the transaction details, look for an option to print or download. Select the option that suits your needs best. If downloading, choose the file format you prefer, such as PDF. Once downloaded, save the file in a designated folder on your computer for easy access. If printing, ensure your printer is set up correctly before proceeding. After printing, organize the physical receipts in a dedicated folder or binder. For added security, consider backing up the digital files to a cloud storage service. This way, your records are safe even if something happens to your computer. Repeat this process for each transaction you wish to back up. Make it a habit to regularly check your activity page to ensure all receipts are accounted for. By maintaining a systematic approach, you'll always have access to your purchase history. This is particularly useful for budgeting and tax purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.